Let me show you how to solve this kind of math question on the board. We are given 6 raised to the power of x minus 2 times 5 raised to the power of x minus 2 equal to 1. And we are expected to find the value of x. Anytime you come across this kind of situation whereby you have numbers being multiplied and in which the powers are the same, or the bases are different, even if the bases are the same, as far as the powers are the same, we can apply something here. We can apply a particular law of indices called product power law. It is the law that talks about this kind of situation whereby the powers are the same. And according to that law, anytime you are multiplying numbers with equal powers, that we should simply multiply the bases, which is 6 times 5. The solution should multiply these bases, 6 times 5. And then we should raise them to one of the powers because the powers are the same. We're going to raise that to x minus 2 and equal to this one. Now let us multiply what is inside the bracket. 6 times 5 will give us 30. We have 30 here, raised to the power of x minus 2 equal to this one here. Now, the left-hand side of the equation is in exponential form in base 30, while the right-hand side is not in exponential form. So what we are going to do now is we are going to rewrite this right-hand side of the equation to be in exponential form. Not just in exponential form, but in exponential form in base 30. So that both sides will be in exponential form in base 30. The question is, how do we do that? This one here, you are going to replace it with 30 because you have 30 here already. So let us write down our 30 raised to the power of x minus 2 equal to, in place of this one, you write 30. This 30, you write it in place of this one. After you have written 30, you raise it to the power of 0. Why? Because if a number is raised to the power of 0, it's equal to 1. This is in accordance with zero power law of indices. You understand? So now, if you look at this, you can see that the bases are the same. Because the bases are the same, they will cancel. And we are left with x minus 2 equal to this 0 here. So if we move this negative 2 to this side, we are going to have x equal to, if this negative 2 crosses to this side, changes to positive 2. This is the answer to this question. I hope you find this video helpful.